To delete a Vrbo listing, start by logging into your Vrbo account and navigating to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Listings tab and select the property you want to delete. Once you have selected the property, click on the Edit Listing button and scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will see a Delete Listing button. Click on this button to initiate the deletion process. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the listing. Select Yes to confirm. Please note that deleting a Vrbo listing is permanent and cannot be undone. So make sure you are certain before proceeding. Before deleting the listing, ensure that you have cancelled any upcoming bookings and have refunded any payments made by guests. You can do this by going to the Bookings tab and selecting the Cancel Booking option. It is also important to note that if you have a paid subscription, deleting your listing will not automatically cancel your subscription. You will need to contact Vrbo customer support to cancel your subscription and request a refund if necessary. After deleting the listing, it may take some time for the listing to be completely removed from the Vrbo website. You can verify that the listing has been deleted by searching for the property on the Vrbo website and confirming that it is no longer visible. It is also a good idea to review Vrbo's policies and terms of service to understand any potential consequences of deleting a listing. By following these steps, you can successfully delete a Vrbo listing and avoid any potential issues.